Welcome to another episode of Dance Drills Basics. Today we're working on our shoulders. Shoulder shakes. Different kind of shoulder shakes. Alright? So, I'm going to show you two moves that involve the shoulder. The first one, here. And we're going to break it down. Second one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's quickly take a look at what it looks like with music. Exercise number 1 is going to look like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 6. All right. Exercise number 2 is going to look like this. 6. So, exercise number 1, it involves different parts of the body. We got the legs, we got the arms, and obviously it's the shoulders. Okay, we're going to break all that stuff down. Now, first thing, the legs. It's the balance right here. I'm going to stand about a little bit wider than the shoulder width. Gives me good balance. I'm leaning side to side. Here's my bounce, bounce. Okay, I'm doing single, single, double. I'm going to put a link to a previous video where I explain the bounce. Okay, so this is an add-on to that. So you got to make sure you have that down. Next thing we got to do is the arms. The arms, it's kind of like a windshield wiper. I right to the right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? So without the shoulders, we have here, here. Okay? Now, let's add the shoulder. This is the meat of the class. Shoulders. I'm going to bring it up, then drop it down on the beat. As simple as that. They both go up and then down together at the same time. Now, when do you do it? It's when, imagine you hear the drum. Right? The drumstick is going up and then down on the beat. It's the same idea with the shoulders. I'm going up and I hit down on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like a drumstick, 1, 2, 3, 4. Immediately after I hit the drum, boom, I come up. And it coordinates with my legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just with my arms, just with my shoulder. Okay, so I have my knees, my shoulders, my arms all together. So let's do it slow without music. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 1-8 count. Now, if this looks familiar, it's because it's used in TLC Waterfall. So go ahead and search that if you like. TLC, one of my favorite 90s group. Great dance, great songs. Anyways, going back to our moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's give it a try. We're going to use music now. Here we go. So first drill, this is a review. So I got single, single, double, single, single, double. Now, let's just drill the shoulder. Single. The shoulder just drops. Adding the arms, I'm going to go to the right. Left, right 2 times. Left, right 2 times. Okay, so this is a good start where I just do the arms and the shoulders. I'm going to take out the legs for now, okay? Drill with me. 5, 6, 7. Good. Now, we're going to add the legs. 3 things at the same time. 5, 6. All right, here we go. Let's get to drill number 2. Now, when I first saw drill number 2, This move right here, I thought it was a great move. I thought it was a fun move, but it's a little bit harder than I expected because the first time I have to incorporate different rhythm, okay? So the shoulder's going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, while the leg is just going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now don't worry, I'm gonna break this down for you guys. So let's start with the shoulder, okay? The difference between the shoulders on this exercise with the previous one, they're moving together. Now they're moving in opposite direction. Think of a seesaw, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's drill this with me, and I'm gonna point out a lot of the pitfalls that I see beginners do. So first, I wanna make sure your arms or your hands are not doing the work. So it's not this, right? Hands doing work, no. Hand stays. Second thing, look at my elbows. They're pointing to the side. Elbows not tucked in like this. Elbows pointing to the side, okay? Now, I'm isolating just the shoulder. Shoulder shake, okay? Shoulder shake. So not hand shake, elbows not tucked to the back, elbows to the side, shoulder, seesaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get that down now. If you find yourself doing something like this, I'm obviously pointing out that you shouldn't be moving your head. The head is not shaking, only the shoulder, okay? Also, your spine shouldn't be shaking, so it's not one of these, okay? So these are the common pitfalls that I see beginning students do. So correct yourself, watch them, look in the mirror, or film yourself to see if you do any of these pitfalls, and then correct them. Make sure your spines are aligned, head is straight, elbows are to the side, not tucked in, and don't move your hands. Keep your hands tight, okay? Keep your hands right here. What I would do is kind of, imagine this is a belt buckle. You kind of just keep your hands on the belt buckle. And focus only on your shoulders. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's count a little bit faster now. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. If you're ready, let's do it with music. Here we go. Let's do it with 1 8 count first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, if you got that, we're immediately moving to 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 4, 6. Good? So one more time. We're immediately moving to 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4. One more time. 2. Good. All right now. 4 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. All right, good drill. So by now your shoulders should be a little bit warm or a lot warm. Either way, let's get the leg going, okay? So the leg, this reminds me a lot of jazz dancers. They kind of walk out, da-da, da-da, okay? So we're gonna use that, but the rhythm is, to get started, I want you to make sure, I wanna point out some common mistakes as well, okay? When I first see beginning students, they go like this. They kind of just stand like this, where the body is kind of straight, where they're standing tall, okay? In this exercise, you kind of want to be about 1 inch or 2 inches shorter than your maximum height. You see, from the side, I'm bent, my knees are bent. So, to get started, I just want you to step with the right leg, my right leg, so step with your right, and left foot goes out. Left foot comes in, right goes out, okay? So we're not even going to move back and forth right now, just stay in place. Stay low. You're not standing straight up, okay? Imagine the roof is about 1 inch or 2 inches shorter than you, and you can't go up, okay? You gotta stay down. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you get this part, then you're ready to move the next part, okay? But if you find yourself going like this and coming up, you gotta watch yourself. You can't come up, okay? You gotta stay down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, we're going to start moving forward and backwards. Watch the 1. Instead of setting in place, I'm going to step forward slightly. Don't take a big step. It's more like a half a step, you see? It's like half right here. This is kind of long. Really small step. Really small forward, okay? As you get better, you can adjust the distance. Right now, we're going to go slow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. On the 3, I'm also moving forward. Okay, 1 and 3, I'm moving forward. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice on the 5 and the 7, I'm stepping back. So here we go. Focus on the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going back. 5, 6, 7 going back. 7, 8. All right. So one more time. This time I'm going to do 2 8 counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice that last 8, I'm coming straight up. I'm not going to finish with the 8 right here. I'm just going to finish. I'm going to end this drill. Okay? So 2 8 counts. Let's try it out with music. Without shoulders, but just the legs with music. We got to make sure that is in our muscle memory before we add the shoulders. Tempo to the rhythm. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. One more time. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Very good. Now, this is probably the most difficult part of this video where we're combining the shoulder and the legs. Because the shoulder is doing a different rhythm. It's the 1 and 2. The leg is going with simple 1, 2. Okay, let's break this down. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Notice on the end, the leg is not moving. It's 1. The same time I step on the 1 leg, 1. My right shoulder comes up. 7, 8. 1 and leg don't move. 2. Then it goes out. Okay? So if you can get that, then you can reverse the other side. So that's probably the most difficult part. And what I find most students do, the most common pitfall is 1 and 2, right? Where you kind of want to match the arms with or the shoulders with the legs. You can't do that. So you have to be very disciplined and very focused on the and part. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Coming back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So go ahead and rewind that part and do it with me slow if you want to. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it again one more time slow with you guys. Keep it slow, keep it focused before we move to the next part, which is with music, which is going to be faster. All right? Bookmark it, move back, and rewind, do that part over and over. Because I know when I first started, I needed to do that over and over and over again before we get to my muscle memory. So here we go, enough talk. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Hope you guys got that. Again, I don't expect you to get it after 2 or 3 tries. I didn't get it until after a few days of just trying. Okay. Again, these are very, very good basics that you can add to your arsenal. Get the shoulders in and incorporate with different parts of the body. For those that are ready, we're going to move on with the music. Join us when you're ready. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Again. 2, 4. Were you able to do it successfully? If so, comment down below. I want to know, how long did it take you? If you knew this already, great. Let me know how long it took you before. If you don't have it, how long is it going to take you to get it? How much are you willing to practice? So, hope you guys have fun. These 2 exercises are great to get your shoulders going. Guys, hope you had fun. I had fun making it. If you did, help support the channel by hitting the like button or subscribe if you hadn't already. Definitely share it with any friends and family that can benefit from it. Thank you for joining me today on a shoulder shake exercise. Until next time, keep dancing.